back to my channel. So I have a Rite-Aid video right here for you guys. So with the Gain, the Russell Stovers, and the Tide products, these deals right here are good until the 21st of this month. Now with the cereal, this is a separate deal. With the cereal, this is only a 3-day sale. So the sale started on the 15th and it is good through the 18th. So you still have until tomorrow to take advantage of the cereal deal because they are priced at $1.88. And then I think after the 18th, the price will be higher. So this is only a 3-day sale, but everything else you see here is good until the 21st. So I just wanted to make sure that I went ahead and let you guys know that. Okay, you guys, so as you can see here, I have some Kellogg's cornflake cereal back here, and then I have 4 boxes of the Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheat cereal, and this is the strawberry flavor. So these are priced at Rite-Aid for $1.88. I did print off a $3 off of 5 boxes of Kellogg's cereal. You can either print that from coupons.com or you can go to the Kellogg's website. I printed mine from the Kellogg's website, but I do remember seeing a $3 off coupon on coupons.com. It may or may not be available. You would just have to go and check. But just in case you can't find it at coupons.com, then for sure go and check the Kellogg's website, and it should be there. Okay, so they are priced at $1.88. So 188 times 5 is $9.40. Minus the $3 off of 5 coupon that I used, it brought my total down to just $6.40. But that's not it. Ibotta has a rebate offer for the Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats for a 75-cent back rebate offer. The limit is 5, but I only did it 4 times because I have 4 boxes. And then also Kellogg's has a rebate back for 50 cents back. Now, when you check your account, you may have a higher or a lower rebate than I have because everyone's Ibotta account is different. So just check your accounts to see what rebate you have. But in my case, I had 75 cents off of a box of Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats and 50 cents back from the Kellogg's cornflakes. So it brought my total down to $6.40. I did get back a total of $3.50 from Ibotta. So that brought my total down to just $2.90 for all 5 boxes, or just 58 cents each. So 58 cents for each box of cereal, which I think is an amazing price. And then also, guys, I wanted to say, I forgot to say at the beginning of the video, with this entire transaction, I used all bonus cash. So I used coupons and I used all bonus cash because I had $40 that I needed to use in bonus cash. So I just decided to go ahead and stock up on this because this month has been crazy. I have been posting my bundles on Facebook Marketplace, and I've been having so many people come to me to purchase my bundles, and so I had gotten a little bit low on my detergent, so I needed to go ahead and re-up on some more of that. So I thought that this was the best way for me to use my bonus cash. Okay, so that's the deal for the cereal. With the Tide Pods right here, both of these bags are Tide Pods. They are priced this week at $4.94. There is a $2 off of 1 load to card digital coupon that I used on this pack of Tides. And then I also went to the P&G website and I printed off a $2 off of 1 coupon for this bag of Tide right here. So $4.94 using the $2 off coupon will bring the total down to just $2.94. Okay, you guys, so my Tide Simply did not bring up correctly. So this bag of Tide Simply, this is the 13 count. It's supposed to have rung up for $2.99, but it did not. And it wasn't priced, it wasn't tagged at my store. And I just kind of figured that it wasn't tagged, you know, because it was Sunday. And sometimes my store has items tagged that are supposed to be, and sometimes they don't have things tagged. But this wasn't tagged. Everything else was tagged, but this specifically wasn't tagged. And so my plans were to go to the register and have them check the price for me. But I was on the phone at the time, so it completely spaced my mind to check the price. And so instead of this bag of Tide Simply Pods ringing up for $2.99, it rung up for $5.03. So, and I didn't notice until I got to the car. But what should have happened was that they were supposed to ring up at $2.99, and I did use a $1 off load to card coupon that I had clipped to my account, and it would have made the bag just $1.99. But since it rung up for $5.03, the digital $1 off digital coupon came off, and it brought my total down. It brought the total to just $403. It was supposed to have been $199, but it didn't ring up correctly. And honestly, I just didn't feel like going back in the store to exchange it, to be completely honest. So I just was like, okay, whatever. I will sell it in my bundle, so it's cool, you know. So check your stores. If they are not tagged, check the price on them, but they are supposed to be $2.99 this week. So if they are not tagged at your store, just take it to the register and ask the cashier to check the price for you. So it'll be up to you whether you want to buy it or not. Okay, right here I have the Tide Febreze Freshness Spring and Renewal. I have this bottle of Tide, and then I also have a bottle of the Tide Original. So these are also priced at Rite-Aid this week for $4.94. I used a $2 off of one load to card coupon that I had clipped to my account on one bottle of Tide. And then I also printed a $2 off of one coupon from the P&G website. So they're priced at $4.94 minus the $2 off coupon. It brought them down to just $2.94, which is a great deal for this. So if you are looking to stock up on some laundry detergent, this is a great deal for some Tide. Okay, also with two of these bottles of Gain laundry detergent, this is the Moonlight Breeze scent, and these are also priced at $4.94 this week. I used a $1 off of one load to card coupon that I had clipped to my account, and then I also used a $1 off of one coupon that I printed from the P&G website as well. So $4.94 minus the $1 off digital coupon and $1 off paper coupon, it brought the total down to just $3.94. Okay, so a total of 3 coupons that I printed from P&G, from the P&G website. So Tide Pods, Tide Liquid, and Gain Liquid. Okay, so with the Swiffer Sweeper Wet right here, these are priced at my store for $3.99. There is a $2 off of one load to card coupon that I had clipped to my account. So $3.99 minus the $2 off coupon brought the total down to just $1.99. Now, when I checked my receipt, my $2 off coupon did not come off. So every other coupon came off like it was supposed to, except this one. Okay, but I did contact customer service, and they did credit my account. Well, I did this transaction on Sunday, and customer service was closed, so I had to call on Monday. So I called them on Monday, and they did credit they took a look at my receipt, and they went ahead and credited my account with $2 in bonus cash. So I did get the $2 back from that. Okay, with the Gain dryer sheets, this is also the Moonlight Breeze scent. So these are, and this is the 120 count. So this is priced at my store at $4.94 as well. And there is a $1 off of one load to card coupon that I had clipped to my account. So $4.94 minus $1 brings the total down to just $3.94 for this. Okay, and with the Russell Stovers, this is the Maple Cream Egg. So these are priced at my store this week for $1, and you will receive $1 in bonus cash back when you purchase 2. The limit to do this deal is 1 time per account. So 2 for $1, you get $1 back in bonus cash. It makes both of these eggs completely free. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this little haul that I got from Rite-Aid. Not really anything fancy, but I really needed to stock up on laundry detergent. So I think that I did very well. I think I used my bonus cash very well. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So as you can see, all of the $1.88, those are from all of the cereal. My $3 off coupon did come off. Right here, I have the Gain dryer sheets. The $1 off coupon came off. Tide Pod, both of the Tide Pods, $2 off coupon came off. Both of the Gain liquid detergent, $1 off coupons came off. Both Tide liquids, $2 off coupons came off. And then right here, where you see the Swiffer wet refills, it did ring up at $3.99, but as you can see, the $2 off coupon did not come off. And then for the Tide Simply Pods, as you can see, they rung up at $5.03 instead of $2.99. But the $1 off digital coupon did come off for that. So when you look right here, It brought my overall subtotal to $39 even, not including tax. As you can see right here, bonus cash rewards used. I did use $40 of bonus cash, so my bonus cash paid for this entire transaction. And I did get back my $1 from purchasing the Russell Stover eggs. So, and also I did get back the $2 in bonus cash that for the coupon not coming off. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions. If you guys are not subscribed to me, I would really appreciate it if you guys would consider subscribing. Also, you guys, don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I did get a chance to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I did get back 25 points. I didn't have any qualifying offers, but just because I scanned my receipt, I did get back 25 points. Also, you guys, if you do have a Kellogg's account, and if you do decide to get some of these cereal, go ahead and submit your receipt to Kellogg's so that you can get some points. I have not submitted my receipt yet, but I do plan to do so after I'm done recording this video. Also, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, I would really appreciate if you guys can give me a follow over there. My Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua. And one more thing, you guys, if you are not using Ibotta, I will have a link in the description box below where you can use my link and sign up. And then I'll also have my code on the screen for you guys to use if you would like to sign up. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first purchase with Ibotta. I think that is going to be it for this video, you guys. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.